Hey, what's up mga ka-auto? Joven again from Auto Prime Car Trading. At syempre, eto, bago magdilim, magre-release tayo ng ating second-hand quality cars. Kasama ko nga pala si Sir. Sir, name niyo po ulit?
Sir Mick.
Sir Mick po from
From Las Piñas.
Yun, Las Piñas lang. Anyway, nagpunta siya dito last time to check yung Toyota Altis natin na G2017 model. At ayun nga, isang tingin pa lang, love at first sight kagad. Sir, saan nyo pala nakita yung Altis namin?
Actually sa Facebook. Facebook Market. Yeah,
Facebook.
scroll, yeah. And then I saw the stories and then yeah. And then also saw the comments and then I decided to go here na para makita yung unit. Previously kasi I looked for a different seller then unfortunately parang may something so
Kaya nga, nakwento mo nga sir, nagpunta sa
Yeah.
ibang dealers, no?
Yeah.
Pero hindi mo mga nagustuhan ng unit nila.
and at the same time trying to go with something pero yan. Ito yung nakita ko, sabi ko magkakita and then I told my wife let's see the car and then yun na. We fell in love with it.
Yun, kaya napili ni Sir Auto Prime Car Trading, tama po.
Yes.
Sa price sir, okay naman po.
Yes, very competitive and actually mas sa market wise sakto lang, hindi talaga siya very very nice.
Siya nga pala, mga ka-auto, may trade-in pala si Sir na old unit niya, so nag-upgrade lang siya ng newer model. Ayun. So, syempre, alam mo naman dito sa Auto Prime Car Trading, basta meron kayong old unit na gusto nyo i-trade in or upgrade, punta lang kayo dito, check namin yan, appraise namin, usap tayo, deal. Anyway sir, dito sa Auto Prime Car Trading, nagbibigay kami ng free Auto Prime merchandise tulad ng Auto Prime Cup,
Alright.
syempre, Auto Prime t-shirt.
Right. Thank you.
So, alam niyo na guys ha, basta second hand quality cars.
Yung Auto Prime na yan.
Alright, sir, thank you very much.
Thank you. Till next
Have a
time.
safe trip po. Ingat. Enjoy your new ride. Ako to, paalam.
Right.
Located kami dito sa BF Resort, Las Piñas. Waze nyo lang, Auto Prime Car Trading. Pwede nyo rin kaming i-check sa aming social media platform. Pwede nyo rin kaming tawagan sa aming number or i-PM sa Telegram, Viber, or Messenger.